Okay, so Arvind sir, I have a question for you. There's a lot of history here. You know, whenever we talk about a pan-Indian film, Gajani का जिक्र होता ही है. And you know, वो 100 crores और वो एक अलग benchmark set कर देना with this gentleman here. So this goes a long way. Talk to us about that also, sir.
That time reaching 100 crores is something which is impossible, difficult kind of thing. And certain behind stories you don't know. In the middle of the film, he challenged in the sets with me and Madhu that this is going to be the first 100 crore film.
Nice, sir. Did I say that?
Yeah.
Doesn't sound like me, sir.
Yeah. But you
Doesn't
told me
sound like me.
It was a late night, sir. And I thought it was...
Short-term memory loss.
No, we were wishing like that, rather we say.
Wishful thinking. Yes.
Wishful thinking. And rather we were promoting that to you.
Yes.
And,
wonderful memories here of
and
Gajani.
it did. The first 100 crore club, Gajani is the film in the history.
Yes.
And I wish I should make another, now it is 100 has become 1,000.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, I want to make 1,000 crore film with him now.
So definitely, sir. Definitely.
Maybe Gajani too. Maybe Gajani too.
So a lot of,
Yeah, something is
on the net is going around Gajani too.
Going around.
Oh, we can see that happening. Yeah.
No, actually,
This is where you heard it first.
We both
This is where
did
you
not
heard
think
it first.
about it. People started writing about it.
Manifestation, so it's going to happen. So talking about history, Amir sir, this one's for you. Talking about history, of course, you've worked with this gentleman here, the very talented Che sir. So tell us something about him. You know, when he was working with you, kya, as an actor, what did you see in him?
He's an ideal co-star to have. Yeah. He's absolutely on the ball, complete team player. You know, we had such a great time working together. He's absolutely on the ball for every shot. Doesn't miss a beat. And a great human being to hang out with. Yeah. So we couldn't have asked for anything better. Right. It was such an amazing experience working with Che, and that got us really close together. So though we don't talk every day, but at one time we were living out of each other's pockets. We used to travel together, shoot, come back together. We were always together. But both of us have great fondness for each other, and I think I'm so happy to see you again today. Yeah.
जैसा आमिर सर के लिए कहा जाता है that he completely वो immerse कर लेते हैं अपने को whenever he's doing a movie, right? He's 120% there और फिर वो साल महीने दिन नहीं गिनते. So वहाँ से कहीं से inspiration आया था that 2 years without signing any other movie. So was it like inspired by the gentleman here? इसके लिए 2 साल दे दिए और कुछ और नहीं किया?
Maybe in a way. Maybe in a way, because...
You didn't shoot anything else, just two?
No,
oh, wow.
No, didn't shoot anything
Wow,
else.
so we're really looking forward to this one, yeah? Wow.
Yeah, maybe in a way.
Yeah. How was it? How was it for you? Talk to us about that. Because, of course, a busy actor, जो कि कह रहा है, अब I'm 120% dedicated to this project. And finally it is out. Talk to us about this journey.
No, as an actor, when the role really inspires you and when you're really moved by the character you're playing, the time doesn't matter, at least for me. Whether it's 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, it's not about that. It's about translating what you had envisioned and getting that right. Because today, once the film releases and once it's out, nothing is in your hands. So at least when it's in your hands, when you have control over the product, be patient with it and do what you can. Right. So that's what I believe in.
Right. Chandu sir, based on real life stories, talk to us about that. Did you like meet all those people? Like how did it all happen?
Yeah, I mean, basically it's a emotional love story.
Yeah.
But when it comes to the after Pakistan scenes, so how Raju saved his guys.
Right.
Okay, the other 21 along with him.
Yeah.
From among those cutthroat criminals in the jail, in the Karachi jail. Okay.
Talking about me,
when
sir.
it comes to the village, Satya, Raju's love. Okay, all the way to Demachilism, a small village. He goes to Delhi to get them back.
Right.
Okay, yeah, and this is a real story.
And this is looking very real on that big screen.
Yeah.
वो organic लग रहा है. That is why I asked you this question. It is looking all organic. So did you like have this on your mind? Like, did you guys discuss this amongst yourself that this is how the thing is going to be like? We want this. क्या कहते हैं? Process ऐसा होना चाहिए कुछ something like
No,
that?
I mean, as it is a real-time story, me along with my team, along with my hero, my producer, Banni Vasu, everyone, even with Bhanu Pratap, Karthik, everyone, we went there, we researched there, studied their language, their body language, everything. So it was actually, to say it, it was a bit easy for them because of we have a live example.
Right.
To read them.
Right.
Yeah.
Arvind sir, we've got to know that recently Bunny sir also met Miss Bansuri Swaraj in Delhi.
Banni Vasu.
Bunny Vasu.
Yeah,
met
Banni
her,
Vasu.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So talk to us about that. What was it like? Because Sushma
So
Swaraj ji ka
this
kuch-
story happens in between 2018 and 19, where they were caught at that point of time.
Yeah.
So about the story of the film, I think so we should not reveal so much actually.
So some things they cannot reveal,
It's a,
Just
which
the
we will save for the film.
it's a part of suspense of the film.
Okay.
And
ये गलत सवाल पूछ दिया तूने.
certain things have happened during Sushma Swaraj stayed in as an external minister.
Right.
So that we brought that part into this film.
But you know why I ask you this question is because a lot of back end research has gone into it. ये सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि दो लाइन की कोई कहानी मिल गई और उसको बना दिया. You guys have done it like you've been there in the entire process. So for you, what were the guidelines given to you? Like what was it like? Because this is not a regular movie ना, ये तो कुछ हटके. तो क्या बोला गया था आपको?
Okay, the first time when I received a call from
So he's not only music director for this film, he's also writer, sir. We discussed a lot about the story. I have lot of hours to hours discussion we have.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow.
He's not the music director. He's different. He will come, sit with the story sitting, and he'll come to the sets. He will come to the dance, these things. He will think over, he will go, change something, and he is slightly mad. So much.
Sir, what you said right now is a blessing. Sir.
My time of
The biggest compliment I could ever get. Woohoo! Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, uncle. Thank you. Yeah, so, yeah. So, I'm still basking in the glory of what Amir sir just said. Like me, he said, what more do I ask for, sir? I think any passionate technician has to be that mad, no, sir. The madness is what drives us to the next one. And of course, we all learn from people like you, sir. So, thank you, sir.
No, we learn from each other.
Oh,
The
see.
process of learning never stops. Yeah.
Exactly, sir. Exactly. Thank you for that, sir. So, yeah, the first time when I got a call from Chandu sir and Bunny was, first they told me as a one-liner. They said, this will be like, we are thinking of a story like this, which happened. It's a true incident. And it was just like maybe like 2-3 minutes call. That's it. As soon as they said that one-liner, I said, let's do this movie. So it was so exciting because the border crossing in the Pakistani and all that, the fishermen, I thought, oh, and I'm also a beach lover because I'm based out of Chennai. And I grew up always, going and sitting alone on the beach, listening to Ilayaraja sir's music, listening to Michael Jackson's music. So, yeah, I think you should give a huge round of applause to Ilayaraja sir and Michael Jackson.
Alone another tappu.
Alone at different times, uncle. So, yeah. So, like, I don't know, the sound of water always inspires me, and I could hear the sound of an ocean all through the narration when they were saying it. So, that's why in all the lyrics, I would have somehow brought in a reference of the saltness of the water. Or
You were going to sing a song last time. Now you must be ready by now. By now you would be
Oh my
ready.
God.
Give us a few
No, this
lines.
is like I'm sitting in front of a school teacher. He's like, hey, don't escape your homework.
No, we are the audience. You cannot escape the audience.
Sure, sir. So that's how it started, and I loved what they narrated, sir. And then we right away, like we actually dived into the ocean of his narration. Yeah. And then we came out with this, and they made it so beautifully, sir. Every emotion was like beautiful in the movie. So I should thank them for making this amazing script, and of course.
See, this is what they want. Amir sir ने सही करवा दिया यहाँ. Sir, this is just a bahana, sir. Every time you take
Sir,
back
you
the phone-
sing and Arvind Garu will dance.
Done it. Thank you, Amir sir, for that.
Beat.
Okay.
Beat.
You do that. Chesa, I'll quickly come to you. You know, one last thing, because this is one movie that is going to appeal to anyone and everyone across the country. And वो pan India नहीं बोलूँगा मैं, लेकिन ये वही वाली feel है कि everybody, and we've seen your work, yeah, in this part of the country also. We've seen your work, we've loved your work. But here, like this huge film, to be blockbuster, let's say that. Tandel, what do you have to say? यहाँ पे अभी.
Well, I think the subject itself is so universal by itself. The story behind what really excited me also as an actor, behind the whole Srikakulam village to Gujarat to Pakistan, behind that is a beautiful love story that Chandu Mondeti has written, and it is that pure love that each one has for each other that kept my character Raju so brave in jail and kept him going through those 2 years and come back in one piece. So that is something that I really found exciting as well. And also he takes you through a journey of love. Love also has a lot of pain in it. So those are some of the moments that he's dealt with really well. You know, how this story of love goes through positivity, pain, and how they come out stronger from it. Right. So yeah, that's another angle to it which I really was inspired from.
And of course, the intensity of the character that we saw on the big screen, of course, romance है, but other than that, you're there. उनकी जेल में बैठे और वहाँ पे जो dialogue बाजी चल रही है, उस समय that angst. Talk to us about it, sir.
Chandru Nujapta.
Chandu sir? Oh, he'll talk. Yeah.
So that angle, I don't know how much to talk about because it's still, we've kept it limited
No
to in
worries,
the
sir.
trailer because
No
the whole
worries.
patriotism angle.
Also, I think it's much more fun to experience the performance, on screen. So we'll do that on 7th.
Done? Abhi, so we are all set? वो लोग हाँ उधर से हाँ. And we also okay. We've also got the songs, so we'll be playing those songs on the big screen for you guys. But before that, live तो बनता है यहाँ पे, है कि नहीं? हाँ?
Allu Arvind uncle has to dance na. ఇందులో వచ్చే. Mani, where are you, Mani? I'm struggling here and you're not even bothered about me.
Money.
He could have taken the lyrics and given me by now.
Yeah, do from this film.
Wow, amazing, sir.
ये नहीं देखने को मिलेगा. मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें, of course, we get to see and witness and enjoy. But this is something हटके, of course. Okay, so one more time, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be playing those videos. We've got the assets here. And Arvind sir, one more time, if you were to talk about the filmy scene right now, of course, we are talking about 100 crores, we are talking about 1,000 crores, but at the same time, kahin na kahin we are like, अच्छा, ये छोटी picture है, ये कैसी चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी. What is the scenario like as per you? Because you've been there, done that, sir. थोड़ा बताइए. About films, of course, the scene. Yeah, exactly.
I'm still searching the reasons.
Amir sir, for
I
you.
think a good story always works. Across genres, it could be action, it could be drama, it could be romantic. If your story is good, it always works. It always starts from the story.
Right.
And which director can do that and which hero suits that? These three should fall in line. Then it's a hit.
So it's a collective thing, of course, Starcast wala sir, Amir sir, because of course.
Starcast should be as per the story. Story decides everything. That's what I feel.
Right. Stars की बात करें, talking about your look, urban, cool, andaz, we've seen you in that. Here it's that rugged look, दाढ़ी के साथ, वो एक अलग dialect, उसके ऊपर कितनी preparation गई, कितनी मेहनत गई?
See, the look was pretty, growing my hair, beard and all. I think the most challenging part about the transformation was the dialect, the Srikakulam dialect. It's very unique in sound. It's very far off from the Telugu we speak in the city. So, getting that right was the biggest challenge for me.
Right. Sir, एक challenge जो सबसे ज़्यादा for the director. What was the most challenging thing, I would say?
So most of the part in the ocean, what we shot,
Right.
okay, 95% is the original location. So my hero said, I don't want to do in the blue mat or green mat because I don't get that feel. So most of the part we shot in the sea.
Okay.
Yeah.
देखा यही होता है, ऐसी चीजें निकल के आ जाती हैं. Sir,
30 to 35 days we shot in the middle of the sea. Ocean.
wow. बाकी बहुत सारी चीजें 7th Feb is the date. Remember that. Rockstar sir,
Yes.
हो जाए?
Ready?
He is ready. I know that. Yeah.
Okay, so there is a beautiful situation in this where, thank you, sir. So, okay, but I chose to sing this song. Sorry about my throat. I've been on the cold, so okay. Anyways, but you're all also going to sing along with me, okay? It's a beautiful situation about the Mahashivratri in this movie, and also Mahashivratri is coming up this month, and that's a very important situation in the film where I think I can say where the Thandel is actually being appointed in the movie on that particular day, and the phone is locked. Once it happened in my live show, sir. I forgot the lyrics, and my brother gave me his iPad. I was like, okay, and I was like dancing. Then when I came back to the iPad, it was locked, and I like, okay. Namo Namah, Namo Namah, Namo Namah Shivaya. I want everybody to sing along. Namo Namah, Namo Namah, Namo Namah Shivaya. Namo Namah, Namo Namah, Namo Namah Shivaya. Namo Namah, Namo Namah, Namo Namah Shivaya. Dum 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 dol baja, डमरू पे सबको नचा, 8 दिशाओं में दिखे तांडवेश्वरा. नमो नमः, नमो नमः, नमो नमः शिवाय. भम 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 शंख बजा, अमृत हम सबको पिला, हिमगिरि हृदय कैलाश की तरह. नमो नमः, नमो नमः, नमो नमः शिवाय. जय शंकरा, जय 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 शंकरा, भस्म कर दे पाप सबके नेत्र खोल तीसरा. जय शंकरा, शिव 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 शंकरा, त्रिशूल से राह दिखा जिससे हो सबको भला. नमो नमः, नमो नमः, नमो नमः शिवाय. नमो नमः, नमो नमः, नमो नमः शिवाय.
Wow.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
शिवरात्रि
Thank
पे
you.
सबसे कमाल का गिफ्ट आई थिंक यही रहेगा हर किसी के लिए यहाँ पे. हर हर महादेव. Thank you so much, sir.
And I would like to sing 2 lines of a love song, a very beautiful love song between Chai and Sai Pallavi, and beautifully written. And yeah, I think I also would like to mention that this song has been so beautifully penned. It's a song about Shiva, the power of Shiva, and mostly the love story and the marriage episode of Shiva. That's what is the beauty about this song. And thank you, Chandu sir, for giving such a beautiful situation. And what I would like to mention is the same lyricist who wrote super duper hit songs for Pushpa 1 and Pushpa 2, Rakhi Balam Bhai ne ye gana likhe hai. So I think it's a culmination of 2 religions in this song. He's a pure Muslim who is so sincere to his religion, and yet he wrote this song studying all the Puranas. And so I would like to say thanks to him. And I think that's the greatness of India, where we all, like they say, we are all living together, respecting each other's religion. I think this song is a great example of that, the way it came out. So thank you so much. And now, this song, though, love, so that is there in everybody. So, and you have taught us a lot of love, sir. So, and the song goes like, Tani na 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 ni tare ra ra re. Yeah. Tari na 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 ri tari ri ri tara ri. I want to. तेरे बिना मेरा दिल ये बेचारा, जैसे दिया कोई तेज हवाओं से हारा. तेरे बिना दिल गम को गुब्बारा, कोई कहे मुझे पागल कोई आवारा. ओ यारा, तुझे ढूंढे दिल हमारा, ओ चंपकली ओ यारा तुझे ढूंढे दिल हमारा मेरी चंपकली.
Whoa. Sir, do you
Sorry for the cracks in my voice. My throat is
do
gone.
you use any
Very good,
instruments
very
या
good.
ऐसे ही काम चल जाता है
Very
sir
good.
सारा?
Most of my composing is done like this, sir, on the chairs, on the tables, through my mouth. And whenever I touch a keyboard or a piano or something, for me everything is musical. You know, this chair, this mic, this table, whatever. So whenever I touch anything that can create a sound, because sound for me is always music. And tab hote hai feelings, mere ko musical feelings. So everybody, hote hai feelings, hote hai feelings, hote hai mere na 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 ko, hote hai. Thank you guys.
ट्रेलर भी देख लिया, लेजेंड से भी मिल लिए, कॉन्सर्ट भी हो गया, अभी क्या चाहिए? गिव इट अप फॉर देम लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन वन मोर टाइम. ओके ओके एंड 7 तारीख को जाना है थिएटर्स में ये फिल्म देखने के लिए. उससे पहले इट्स टाइम फॉर अ क्विक फोटो ऑप विद द एंटायर टीम एंड ऑफ कोर्स वील गेट टू वॉच दीस टू एसेट्स on the big screen in some time. We'll quickly remove the chairs.